Hello, Chef here. So I've got one of these really big bone-in chicken breasts, and I thought I would share with you easiest way to prep this thing. This is over 1 pound, gigantic chicken breast. I'm using a cleaver. Remove a little bit of the fat, and notice the bone right there. I'm just going to be cutting this into some even sections, probably 3 or 4 chunks like this. The bone will help it stay nice and flavorful, lots of juice in there. As well as even cooking. And that's it. Watch the next video. I'll be cooking this amazing giant chicken breast. Burning calories, getting hungry. Oh, yes, pepper. .404. This one is brass. This was featured in one of the big magazines. I think it was Bon Appetit, Better Homes and Garden. They said, wow, best pepper mill you can buy, because the quality is there. Watch my other videos. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, these babies are in stock. It's gonna be good. And don't forget, all things Butcher Block from your sponsor. Butcher Block, edge grain, end grain, love it. The best working surface for your kitchen. Professional chef, home gourmet, doesn't matter. Butcher Block, check it out. Now you're wondering, just how good is this chicken, right? I don't always marinate my grilled chicken, but when I do, it comes out perfectly. Good idea to salt it after you grill it. There's many reasons why. And let's put a little more of this fresh ground pepper. Oh yeah. So now, you're interested, you better subscribe right here and search chicken on this channel. Knife inspection. Are your knives sharp? Are they as sharp as mine? Real quick mention here. The other part of the knife is the cutting board or cutting surface. You see I'm doing a rocking motion here? Cutting some imaginary herbs. Beautiful. Same thing with the next one. The angle's not as good, but it's working. Okay? Same thing with the next one. Yeah, I like it. So wrap it tight, get the air out, shelf life 3 days. The blocks. Get the best block the first time. Visit your sponsor. By the way, I'm cutting tomatoes, so I never use a butter knife. There are people that have knives this dull. They're trying to cut their tomatoes with these butter knives. What the heck are they doing? This is for spreading butter or cutting cheese. It's a little chef. He's cute. From France. Chef cooked in France with Chef Bocuse. Bocuse is renowned around the world, so you'll pick up some master chef tips on this channel. Chef Bocuse. Yeah, amazing guy. Subscribe right here. Let's get cooking. Oh yeah. It's gonna be good. People often ask me about butcher block care and maintenance, and I've actually got all the answers for you. So I've been using this for decades and decades, all different shapes and sizes. It just keeps on going. One of the questions that comes up all the time is how to maintain. Oil it monthly if it's oil finish. I prefer the mystery oil. This is the best. Beeswax is good too. Knife inspection. Are your knives sharp? Are they as sharp as mine? Wow. Check it out. The sponsor's got Japanese knives imported direct from Japan and butcher blocks made in the USA. Free shipping, no tax, discounts. You can't go wrong. Meets the silicone. However, this is FDA approved food grade high heat silicone that goes to 500 degrees. You can see the end of it's just starting to wear a little bit. I like the curvature and the shape. So I got with this manufacturer and we improved the design. Here we go. This is the new design. These are about 10 inches long, I believe, maybe a little longer than that. The hole allows you to hang it. If you like to add a little loop of leather or string in there, you can hang them up if you want to. But anyway, no more bacteria right here. Blueberry pie, blueberry jam, blueberries. Ah. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes, many styles, all made in the USA. I'm just using some sticks, a little paper, a little cardboard, and the lump charcoal.